Hi, here we have a British Gas UP2 Dual Programmer. So we want to look at the heating. So first of all, we can use this select button to change the settings on the heating. So at the moment it's on timed. Press this and now it's on once, which will be from the on time, the first on time, to the last off time. And then we have on, which is 24 hours a day, and then off. So if we want to set the program, what we need to do is we need to press set. Okay, and then press yes. And then because it says CH up there, that's do we want to set the central heating program? So yes. So the central heating comes on at 6:30 in the morning. So if we press set, we go to 11:30 when it next goes off. And if you want to change that, you press the minus button, so 11:29, or the plus button back to 11:30. So we're happy with that. So we press the set button again, and then so it goes off at 11:30 and then back on at noon. So we're happy with that. We don't need to press the plus and the minus button. So we go, and then it goes off at 10:30 p.m, which leaves a third program which is back on at 11 p.m, and then it goes off at 11:01 p.m. So the third program was not being used basically. And there we go to the hot water. So if we want to set the hot water, so if we want to set the hot water, we press the set button, and then it says program, so we press yes, and then it says central heating. So what we need to do is press set, and then it says HW, which is hot water. Now if we want to set the hot water, we now press yes. So at 7 o'clock in the morning, the hot water will then come on till 10 a.m. And that's the plus and minus to change the time. So we press set again, and then it's back on at noon, and then off at noon. So that's program's not used. And then 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now the hot water tank has a thermostat on it. So if the water's already up at temperature, it won't make any more hot water. So this is just permissions to make hot water between 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and then noon till noon, which is off, and then from 4 till 10 p.m. But it will only make the hot water if the hot water in the tank hasn't reached temperature. So we press set. So now the hot water is on constantly. So the program is not actually working. So to press that onto timer, we need it onto timed. Okay, if we have it on once, here like that, because we've set it from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m, the hot water tank will be able to be kept warm from 7 in the morning till 10 at night, but it will only be using gas if the thermostat dictates that the water in the tank is lower than the set temperature. So what we want to do is we want to change it to timed. And there we go, so that's now on timed. As you can see, the central heat at the central heating is set to off. So now we need to move that to timed. Now because the time now is at 5 past 12, the heating is on, but the hot water is off, because and the hot water won't come on till 4 o'clock. If we needed hot water now, instead of reprogramming the whole thing, we can hit the advance button. So there's the hot water advance button. So we press that, and now the light is on. So now it will stay on from now till the next time it's told to turn off, which is 10 p.m. If we don't need any more hot water, what we can do is we press the advance button again. So advanced doesn't mean complicated, it just means jump forward, stay on till the next time you're told to turn off. Now as you can see, the central heating has permission to come on, but there's a room thermostat which is just dictating whether it should come on or not. And if the house is warm enough, even though it's allowed to come on, it won't come on because the house is already warm enough. Now, if we press the advanced button, it will now stay off till the next time it's told to turn on. So the central heating will be off till, I think the next time it's told to turn on is 6:30 in the morning. So if we press the heating advanced button again, it now stays on. So you want to have these both on timed and let the thermostats do their work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.